Looking to have some financial control over your life? Being your own boss and doing side hustles is one of the best ways to do it. Join the gig economy and explore how you can become creative and earn a good living. Hi everyone, welcome to Money Answers TV. I'm Jordan Goodman, America's Money Answers man. We're here to help you build your skills and knowledge so you can be successful in your financial life. Side hustles are one of the fastest growing ways that people are making money now, and the appeal is understandable. You control when you work, what you do, and how much you work. Don't like a job or a customer? Guess what? You can stop and find something else you like doing better. Take a close look at your skills and natural talents before you dive in. We all know the feeling of a grind job, but the last thing you want to do is to pile on more unsatisfying work just to make money. So how do you find a side hustle that will work for you? Here are a few tips. What are your marketable skills? What can you do that make other people's lives easier, like running errands, grocery shopping, pet sitting, or organizing their papers? What training do you have? It might be writing, bookkeeping, or providing health care. What was your favorite subject in school? Tutoring in core subjects is very marketable. Write blogs for just about any kind of website. Do ghostwriting. Do bookkeeping. Use your audio-video skills to produce videos. Help people prepare their taxes. To find out more on this topic of picking your new line of work, listen to my Money Answer Show interview with Caitlin Pyle, author of Work at Home. Click on the link below to listen. The world of side hustles is evolving so quickly. New sites and opportunities pop up almost every day, so you can find out what interests you. If you don't enjoy it or it doesn't pay you enough to make it worthwhile, switch to something else. Most likely the side hustle that will fit you best is something you are passionate about. If you get a lot of satisfaction helping other people get something done which they don't have the time or inclination to do on their own, you've found a reliable source of extra income.